Hello everyone, Shoyin Moi. Welcome to today's class. We will be looking at names of animals in Birom. Names of animals in Birom, and this should be our part 1. The first animal I have here is Gukum. Gukum, which is lion. Gukum, lion. Za is pig. Za, pig. Fei, rabbit. Fei, rabbit. Vu is dog. Vu, dog. Viel, goat. Viel, goat. Random or rondom is cow. Random or rondom is cow. Chu is rat. Chu, rat. Cat is monkey. Cat, monkey. Murum is hyena. Murum, hyena. And finally, for today, I have guam, which is snake. Guam is snake. Okay, we'll stop here for today. Please remember to subscribe to Ida We World YouTube channel and always view and also press that notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you will be aware of it. Thank you so much and bye for now.